Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to change your Roblox username. In order to change your Roblox username, first you have to go to the Roblox website. So in the search panel of your browser, type Roblox. Now go to the official Roblox website. After coming into the Roblox website, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then click on the gear button and go to the settings menu. In your account information, you'll see that the display name and username are present. In order to update your username, click on the right icon. You have to spend 1000 Robux in order to change your username. So after spending 1000 Robux, just click on the icon on the right and give it a name that you would like to change it to, and that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.